Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial video, I will simply show you how you can delete your Mailchimp account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to delete your Mailchimp account, you'll have to log in from the web browser. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So you can use any web browser that is convenient to you. So as for this video, I'm using Google. Once you open up your web browser, type in mailchimp.com. So as you type in, on the other page you will land inside the official website, and right on top you can see the correct website, that is mailchimp.com. so tap on it. So next, on the other page you will land inside the official site, and on this following page in the upper right corner you can see login option. Tap on it. So as you tap on login, on the other page you'll have to enter your information, that is your username and your password that is associated with your Mailchimp account. And once you're done entering your information, tap on login, which is right at the bottom. So on the other page you'll have to enter the verification code. So the verification code will be sent through your SMS, and in case you have used your email address, then the verification code will be sent through your email. Now tap on send email. So next, check your email and then enter the code. And once you're done entering your verification code, tap on submit verification. So here as you can see that I'm logged in. Now on this following page, tap on the try bar icon, which is right at the bottom in the lower left corner. Now on the other page, right at the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on your profile icon, on the other side there is a pop-up window. Now from here, tap on profile on the second step. So as you tap on profile on the other page, the interface kind of look like this. Now right on top you can see navigation, and just next to it you can see small arrow icon. Tap on it. Now as you tap on the small arrow icon, the page expands, and on the second step there is settings, and just next to it there is a small arrow icon. So do the same process, that is tap on it. Now under settings you can see a lot of options, and right at the bottom you can see pause or delete account. Now tap on it. On the other page you can see there are two different options. Now from here you'll have to mark on permanently delete this account, which is right at the bottom. And once you're done selecting on it, tap on continue in the lower left corner. So once again there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through it. And as you're deleting your account, so you must give a reason for deleting your account. You have to select at least 3 reasons for why you're deleting your account. Now once you're done selecting up to 3 reasons, scroll down right to the bottom. Now right at the bottom you'll have to enter your information, that is your email address and your password. Now once you're done entering your information, so tap on permanently delete account, which is right at the bottom. Now once again there is a confirmation, so you'll have to type in delete to confirm. So type in delete. Now enter the word exactly how it is, and once you're done, tap on delete your account. So as you can see that I've received an update that says your account has been closed, and that is how you can delete your Mailchimp account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.